Hi everybody, it's 16th of August, and here's the garden I'm doing. They had a leak in the, here's the water that opens it automatically, and here's the filter got broken, as you see. It has a leak and it broke for them, so I bought them a new one. And yeah, I'm cutting down these plants a little bit. And some of this I have to cut down, make it look nice for them. Here's vanilla has prickers. Here's a pomegranate tree, a mango tree, a lemon tree. And they're really nice, some really nice plants here. And that's it. A bumblebee. Okay, have a good day, bye.